Welcome back into another 99 Bitcoins video. We're looking at 5 very juicy, high potential meme coins in this video, which could potentially make some big gains out here in the crypto markets. Many investors speculate meme coin season 2 is indeed on the way. Now, let's just jump into coin number 1. It's going to be dogecoin 20, guys, straight up, because something very strategic they're doing is they're actually setting the claim date to April 20, which is International Dogecoin or Doge Day. Effectively, this is where we could see meme coins of all kind of flavors, but especially dog themed meme coins go absolutely parabolic. So very strategic launching date here. We can see already raised over $10 million, 23 days to go until Dogecoin 20 is fully selling out, raising around, I guess, probably $11-12 million at the moment, but should launch around $15 to $20 million market capital, 10x potential here. So could $1,000 turn to $100,000 of this meme coin? By theory, yes, because $15 million 100x takes you to a $1.5 billion market capital. The odds of it happening, probably very unlikely, but by theory, yes, it could happen. So this, of course, is a solution to Dogecoin's existing inflation, where they have trillions of coins, whereas Dogecoin 20 only has 140 billion, 25% reserved for the pre-sale over here. And what they're doing now is, I guess they're slicing up some of that marketing allocation and moving it into pre-sale because they're so ahead of their roadmap, everybody. They're ahead and more people want it. The demand is there. So this will overall help the community layer up, snowball effect, and the culture, of course, will be there, and hopefully send this meme coin to the moon. Would be fantastic to see over here. So yeah, exciting stuff here for Dogecoin 20. Link down below. Do a bit of research. Remember, it's not financial advice. Also, if you are a staker, they've got 95% per annum on staking. How do you buy the coin? You simply connect your MetaMask wallet. You convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into your desired quantity of Doge 20 tokens. Sit back, relax, wait for the claim date, claim into your wallet, then you can sell them when you are ready to do so. The coin number 2 is going to be Slothana. Slothana is kind of really inspired by Book of Meme, because this is one of those sort of send to Solana address sort of coins. So it says here, look, buy now before launch. 1 Solana equals 10,000 Sloth tokens. They've currently raised $786,000. Solana meme coins as a whole take up about 12% of the overall meme coin market sector by market share, $7 billion of valuation. And over the last 24 hours, we can see many meme coins are pumping, especially in the Solana space. So how do you buy it? Well, you hit that buy now button, you convert either whatever amount of sort of Solana you wish into your desired amount of Sloth tokens. You can use Phantom Wallet, Solflare, Trust, or Coinbase Wallet. Scrolling down, we can see over here, join Solfana's journey from leafy lounges to crypto riches. The pre-sale is happening now. So just like Book of Meme, we don't actually know what the overall single allocation will be, or when it's going to happen, what the market capital will be at launch. So it is indeed a very high risk, high reward opportunity. But if you follow the trend and what's going on with these Solana meme coins, this could indeed be a massive one as well. You're very early if you're watching this. They've only got 757 followers at the moment, which is just crazy to see as well. This takes us to coin number 3, Book of Meme, another one on the Solana chain, which recently launched. It sparked up massively to a $1.4 billion market capital, has corrected by 50%, and overall I think this 50% correction could serve, you know, I guess the paper hands have been washed out, they've been shaken out, but smart money and whales are still holding around this level. If we see meme coin season 2 come here and we see Shiba go up, Doge go up, and all these other ones go up, we should also see Book of Meme fly up as well, right? So $700 million market capital. Hopefully we will see continuation. Remember also to subscribe to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel if you want to hit your crypto goals this 2024. This is the Book of Meme website. Who would have thought this could be worth hundreds of millions? It's just outrageous, isn't it? It's really always just so crazy, the power of meme, the power of community, and that is their Twitter right there, everybody. Coin number 4 will be Floki. Floki, because I think from a price perspective, when we look at the market cap, it's actually in a fantastic place. When we look at the price, it's actually hovering just below its previous all-time high. It did just about get to an all-time high, but it didn't quite get there, unfortunately, because of token dilution and increased supply. Now you need a higher market capital to get back to the same price levels. But overall, looking at the markets here for, you know, this coin, it's not on Coinbase, so that's also something else to consider. But I'm very bullish on Floki E-News very, very promising and vibrant roadmap here that they've got on the go. And you can see it says from the get-go, we've been very clear about our goal for Floki, and that is to be the most known and most used cryptocurrency in the world. So their roadmap, if they go through each section, should hopefully create a massive surge for Floki as well. The Vikings are strong, and this is the people's cryptocurrency. Also earlier, or last year I think, they launched their sister token, being Token Fi as well. This leads me into coin number 5, guys, which will be Shiba Inu, trading at $0.00002989. Shiba is hopefully going to replicate history of what it did in 2021, which is consolidate around this price level for 30 days, and then it went parabolic to the upside. So we could potentially see that for Shiba Inu right here. Not saying 100% for sure, but there are 5 meme coins you can potentially look at. To summarize, we had coin number 1 as dogecoin 20, link is down below. We had coin number 2 as Slafana, link is down below if you want to check it out. We had coin number 3 as Book of Meme as well. Really cool one. You have to buy this on exchange, of course. It's now trading live. We also have coin number 4 as Floki Inu, and coin number 5 as Shiba Inu. Now, if you guys also want to get to know me a bit better, you can check out my Discord down below, Jacob's Crypto Clan. We've got 26,000 members here in my Discord, which is fantastic. And we are also helping hundreds of people through my Patreon over here, where effectively I help you, and in a way that we provide insane levels of insights for you, whether it's straight to DEX launches, trading signals, early news and insights. You know, we're here to help grow your journey, enhance your journey, and help you out in the crypto space as well, guys. So join the Discord, consider becoming a patron if you want to, and overall I think, you know, things will start to look much better for, you know, the meme coins in general. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more on the 99 Bitcoins channel. Come say hi in the Discord down below as well, and yeah, let's see what can happen with these super hot meme coins. Bye for now. Stay crypto safe and have a wonderful rest of your day.